Hello. So no one is joining. So all of you please join the class. Hello. Please join the class. Hello. 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 Varsha. Hello. Hello, Varsha. Is there any other one? So only one participant is added. So Varsha. Hello. So my voice is audible. Please respond. Hello. Hello. Varsha, please unmute your mic. So only one student has been participated. What about the remaining? Hello. 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 Please unmute your mic and please interact with me. So what about the other person? Hello, Shadab. Shadabuddin. Hello.
Hello, Shadabuddin. My voice is audible? Shadab. Hello, hello, Shadabuddin. My voice is audible or not? So only two guys are present. I'm taking screenshots. So let's wait for 2 more minutes. Then we'll see what happens next. Hello, 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 Okay, shall I'm starting my class today. So today we are going to discuss the lathe tool post. Okay, so last class we discussed about the various other machining parts. Okay, see like eccentric, footstep bearing. Okay, so screw jack. Okay, so these all are discussed. So today we will discuss about the lathe tool post. Okay, see here the lathe tool post is there. See the single tool post. Okay, so here the purpose of this tool post of a different designs are available, which are meant for supporting and holding the cutting tools. Okay, so in the lathe machine, so for supporting and holding the cutting tools we use this single tool post. Okay, so here we shown a assembly drawing of single tool post, that is a lathe tool post. Okay, so this single tool post is also called as a pillar type tool post. Okay, it is also called as a pillar type tool post. Okay, so this tool post supports one cutting tools. Okay, so one cutting tool at a time. Okay, so it is generally used for a small sized lathe machines. Okay, small size lathe machines. So the so it is usually it is fixed on a compound rest. Okay, so of the lathe carriage. Okay, so the lathe carriage is over that compound rest is there. In the compound rest, so this tool post will be fixed. Okay, so here the body of the tool post is a cylindrical pillar. Okay, this is also called as a pillar type tool post. Okay, so the main part is the body. So that is a cylindrical type pillar. Okay, so with a vertical slot of a rectangle cross section. Okay, so so here I am the slot having a vertical cross section. Okay, so it is in a rectangular cross section. Okay, so it has a collar of one end. Okay, and threaded hole in other end. Okay, so this is used. Okay, so here we have the main three four parts is there. First one is a cylindrical pillar, the second one is a block. Okay, so that is, here we will see the assembly drawing of your lathe tool post. So here, so this is here we have majorly five major parts. This is assembly drawing of your single tool post. Okay, so here the first one is a pillar. There is a vertical pillar we can also call as. So the material by using manufacturing with this one is MCS. Okay, so there is a forged component. So the quantity is one. And same way the second part is a block. Okay, there's a major one is a pillar and second one is a block. So it is also made with the raw material for this material. This part is also MCS. Okay, that is called forging. Okay, so the quantity of this assembly is one. Same way the third one is a ring. So here we have, I will show where this ring is there. So this is the part. Okay, so here clearly indicated that the part number 3. Okay, so that is a ring, we can call as a ring. Okay, then next one is the fourth one is a wedge. Okay, so that is a fourth part, that is called a wedge. Okay, so then the fifth one is a screw. Okay, so for assembly purpose, so the screw is used. Okay, so that is five components are there in the assembly. So based on this we have to uh, draw the production drawing, means that you can draw the detailed drawing. Okay, that is also called as a part drawing. Okay, so here single line you can take the single parts you can take and draw the detailed drawings. Okay, so first one draw with a pillar. So pillar. Okay, so here we have the part pillar 1. The part 1 we can call as So here it is to be like this. So where it is lying, okay, say here the part 1 called pillar. So this is the one. So this portion, okay, so here dotted portion is there. So this portion we can call as a pillar, okay. So that is, and same way the second one, that is what a block, okay. Say here we have the block, see here in the part 2 we have block, say here it is lying, okay. Same way third one is ring, fourth one is wedge. So here you are having ring and this part is called wedge, okay. So here we have so here we have a detailed drawing steps, okay. So the first one is a body, okay, that is called pillar. So here it is lying here, and then second one is a block, same way the block is there. So the block, the slot is around 63, the diameter is same way here, bottom and is the top view is here, okay. So here drawn the top view also. And then third part is a ring, say here, that is a ring, we can call as, this is about the ringed portion, that is, okay. And then fourth one is a wedge, okay. So here the wedge part, this one, so this part you can call as a wedge, this part is called wedge, okay. So that is here it been drawn very clearly. And then fifth part is the screw is used for assembling, okay, vertical assembly. It says completely it is in vertical assembly like this, okay. So you can dismantle the part from the assembly drawing, then you can separately you can get the production drawing, okay. So this is it, okay. See here the drawing. Hello, are you able to hear my voice? Hello, it is clear my voice, it is audible. Okay, see here. Okay, see these are the things we have. So these are the separated list. So now you have to mark the various parts, like surface roughness and mating parts, where the mating parts will be existing, okay. So in the production drawing, the components of the single tool post, okay, indicating the surface roughness and tolerances where the necessary, okay. See here I have to indicate the mating parts, that is called, you can identify the fits, okay, where the fits will be exist. Say here the two fits will be existed, so there the mating parts will be there lying, okay. So the one fit that is existing, that is a closed running fit, that fit will be existed between the pillar and block, okay. So it will be existed between the pillar and as well as and block, okay. So the two jointing processes, two mating process, okay. So the surface finish we also obtained, that is a 12.5 microns, okay. See that is the first mating part, that is a, so there the existing is a closed running fit, okay. So that is a closed running fit. And next one is a pillar and screw, okay. So next pillar and screw is another type of fit will be existing, that is a medium running fit, that is, okay. So first one is a closed running fit and next one is a medium fit, okay, that is called medium running fit, okay. See here, that is, So these are two major things. So here there is a fit that is H7 by G6 and 6H by 6G, that is. So here the capital H indicates hole, small g indicates shaft. Okay, so H7 and H6, these are the grades. Okay, so that is, so H7 by G6, it is a symbol. Okay, so 6H by 6G is another one, so where we can get the medium type of fit. So based on that we can able to calculate the fits and tolerances. Okay, so that is a tolerance also you can able to find out, that is H7 by G6, so 6H by 6G. Okay, see here one description will be given for a pillar. Okay, see how the pillar will be manufactured. Okay, so the pillar of the lathe tool post is post made of medium carbon steel, that is called MCS. This is it denoted as MCS. MCS nothing but a medium carbon steel is produced by drop forging. It is produced by using mainly drop forging. As the tool post has to withstand a very high cutting forces. As the tool post to withstand a very high cutting forces, the manufacturing process is forging is preferred. The manufacturing process is forging is preferred. Both the end surfaces and external surfaces, both the end surfaces and external surfaces are turned on the lathe. Both the end surfaces and external surfaces are turned on the lathe. So in the same setup, the hole for the M22. So the threaded failure is drilled. The threaded feature is drilled. Okay. So the followed by thread cutting. So job is then fixed in a machine wise, and the slot is machined by end drilling operation. The slot is machined by end milling operations. Is a vertical milling machine is in a vertical milling machine. The square edge of the slot are finally produced by slot slotting in a slotting machine in a slotting machine. So here the process sheet comes under. The process sheet for the manufacturing of the block is given a table. Okay, say for a block. Okay, so it is adapted for the block. So that is a manufacturing. So there is a lathe pillar. So the pillar manufacturing, and then the next one is block. Okay, see the process sheet for written for a block. See how the block is manufacturing. What is process sheet? Process sheet contains a detailed description about that part. Okay, see here how it is manufacturing, where it can be done, the various types of operations to be carried by the which machines. Okay, that in that complete detail it will be given in the chart, that is called a process sheet. That is the sheet containing all the data is called process sheet. So which is very easy for the operator. Okay, so by seeing that he is able to understand that each and every step, so that he is smoothly manufacture the block. Okay, so that is called process sheet. The process sheet is a very most to the operator. Okay, so before going to give the production drawings, you have to hand over the process sheet for the each and every part of the each and every part. Okay, see here, there we use the material for the block is MCS, that is a medium carbon steel. So the size bar is 76. Okay, so the first step is we use a lathe machine. Okay, so first you can check the material. Okay, the operation is carried on the material bar is first check the material. See, the checking can be done with the help of a vernier scale, that is our vernier calipers. Okay, and the same way next we use to hold the job in forja check and face the end. Okay, so that is called facing tool. That is okay. So drill and bore the diameter 51. So drill and boring tool we used. Okay, so then bore the diameter 63 by 10. That is okay. So that is can be done with help of boring. So these all operations will be carried on a lathe. Okay, then we use the part off. Okay, so by using a parting tool. Okay, so by using the parting tool you can use to part off. Okay, see used reverse the face, reverse and face. Okay, say with the run off with the facing tool. Okay, so harden, that is furnace. Okay, then lastly after that we use inspect. So inspect can done with the help of vernier calipers. Okay, so like this we will do one by step operations by using the process sheet. Okay, so step by step done with the help of process sheets. Okay, this operation is called single lathe tool post. Okay, single lathe tool post. So this operation is called single lathe tool post. So you also adapted for some surface roughnesses. Okay, say here the parallel bar. Okay, parallelism, that is 0.06 on block. So that is about the single lathe tool post. So that is a tool post. So all of you draw this detailed drawing. So this is a detailed drawing, and also draw the part list. So you have to do the draw the bill of material and this detailed drawing, and then mating parts. Okay, this mating parts, and then you have to write the process sheet for this block. Okay, you have to draw this all these things at a step by step. Okay, so that is. Hello. Hello, Shravani. Hello, hello. My voice is audible. Is it clear? Hello. So we have to write that part list. Okay. So see how to draw means square whiteboard. Say in drawing. So take the sheet. Okay. So you have to mark the borders. Okay. Draw the title bar. Okay. So you have to write this space for each and every part. You have to measure it. Okay, draw the part drawing here, then you can write the bill of material, BOM. Then you can write here the process sheet, and here you write the fit tables. Okay, so you have to write a fit table. So completely you will draw in a preferred manner. Okay, in a selective manner you can generate the drawings. Okay, so here in power drawing, first you have to, if you choose Suppose first if you select the body, then you have to draw the body here, and then you have to draw its view, side view. Okay, so sorry, there is pillar. Then suppose if you take the body, and then draw its top view. Okay, so you have to draw another one, that is screw. Okay, so you maintain some sequence. Okay, so don't draw here and there. Okay, so like you do not damage the drawings. Okay, so tomorrow you have to submit this sheet. Okay, so you have to submit the various sheets. Okay, so completed drawing is part drawings are, so first one is eccentric, then knuckle joint. Okay, lathe tool post. Okay, then plumber block, universal coupling. Okay, and then screw jack, like etc. Okay, a number will be completed, so these things will be submitted in the next class. Okay, so in next class, okay, you submit all the various types of part ranks. Okay, so all people must you to submit the this complete detailed ranks. Okay, so I'm taking screenshot of 3 members have been present today. So remaining people's what happens. Hello, if you have any doubt, ask me. So remaining thing will be discussed in the next class. Okay. So in this drawing, so almost all the drawing will be completed. So you can ready for facing the exam. Okay. So before going to that, you have to submit the all sheets, all drawing sheets. Okay. So then, so that we can award the internal marks. Okay. So internal marks we can able to award it. Okay. So this drawing is a practical exam now from now onwards. Okay, from last year onwards. So that I have to attend the practical exam. Okay, so when the dates comes, so that you have to ready. So before that you have be prepared. So all of you must complete your drawings, the pending drawing sheets. Okay, so that drawings will be submitted in times. Okay, so do not delay it. Okay. Okay, so thank you. So uh, so please inform your friends to come and join. Okay, so yesterday or day after yesterday they are joined as 6 7 8 members, but today will be dropped down again. So this is not good for you. So, so it gives much impact on your results. Okay, so please to join with us. Okay, so almost all the time up, so it is a 40 minutes duration time. So you have another class. So all of you join in another class in 2 o'clock session. Okay, so thank you all of you.